first one is under workers. Scroll down to this one right here, digital nomads. Get it? The next one is under services. Scroll down to this one right here, block bouncers, and get it. And the last one is under spacious. Go there and get this one right here, mined first Bitcoin. And finally, the cards are digital nomad, block bouncers, and mined first Bitcoin. Let's go to Memefi. Let's first understand the numberings. Here is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this right here is 4. The code sequence for today is going to be 2, 2, 2, and 2. So follow me closely. Tap, 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 tap. Of course, as you can see, 1 million unlocked. You can click to continue playing. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram channel. We do a lot of interesting stuff in there. Check the link in the description to join if you're interested. Let's go.